Alright, hello everyone. Okay, I've come up with a cunning plan. I think trying to get these to come out 4 feet is pushing it a little bit. What I thought about was having them hinged and going back, but then I realised I'll be hitting the wheel, so that won't be any good. So what I've come up with, I've cut some tube square inch. I'll put a nut in there. You see that? And then there'll be a twisting locking bit, and those are going to go on the end there. And then there's a middle one. It's going to go in the middle, join the two together, and then there'll be something on the end of the bar, so that just comes out 2 feet. So 2 feet the other side. So we've got 8 foot stability, and of course there's guy connections on the tower as well, and then there'll be legs on this end, so and do that front and back. So that's the plan. So we'll do a little bit of welding and put these in place. I don't want them right at the end, I want them windier today, have to watch the wind. put another fan on the welder, because welding thick steel like that, 5mm, overheats rather quickly, and I blew it up once, so I put a second fan on it, and then I'll do a couple of welds, a couple of inches, and then let it cool down, so don't blow it up again. So that's it anyway. Yeah, there'll be something on the end just to stop it from coming out, and then there'll be a screw bolt in there. Perfect. That's what we want. Yeah, perfect. Right, I'll do the other end and I'll see you in a bit. Right, hello everyone. Okay, here's the trailer now. Got everything on. Just before the steel plate goes on. I've ordered it, so that'll be here sometime in the week. Probably Wednesday, but I shall be away on Wednesday, so the lights on. Room for a number plate. And these are the extending bars. I've got to finish making these yet, and then they come out like that. I've got to put adjustable feet on them, so, and then they just do it with a small hook, tighten them up. There we go. This is to put the rotator cage in when you're not using it, and then there'll be a bar standing up here, where that is, and that will be to hold the actual tower part of the crane when it's in motion. And when the tower's on here and folded down, the bottom will be just about a foot past the back of the trailer, and the front will be just about in line with that. So if you turn it with a car, it's going to be no problem. If you turn it with a van, the bumper needs to be slightly more out a bit away from the van than anything, but most bumpers are anyway. So there you go. So that's it now for now. I'll show you the next bit when the plate's on, and I'll line up the holes and drill the holes and get the bolts for the tower plate, and then it can go together. So there we go. Next video will be me. I'll probably show you how I wire all the wiring together, because a lot of people can't grasp quite how I'm doing the tower sections, how the pulley system works. So I'll do that for you. So cheers for now, till the next time, bye.